Laying low, no place to go.
You don't know who? Oh, now you don't know me. When you were huffing and puffing on top of me, just recently, you don't know who.
I was-
See the place. My God will punish you.
I was huffing and puffing on top of you. This is the first time I'm seeing in my life.
It's like your mother.
Right actress for now, alongside other amazing actors and actresses. Now, this movie Alamposa, it's mixed with comedy and see, the movie is pure gold, trust me. And as I would usually say, I don't give you guys just random movies. I select and pick amazing movies for you guys. And this movie has three basic lessons. Number one, karma does not take long. 99 days for the thief and 1 day for the owner of the house. Eventually, your karma would find you. Now, secondly, in a bid to deceive people, don't get deceived. Pray that you, as a scammer, you don't meet a scammer that will scam you too. Okay, and the third lesson is fake life doesn't pay. Scamming people is not a way of life. When you take the fast lane, you would eventually crash. Yeah, so these are the basic lessons from this movie. I think you guys should watch this movie. It is an amazing movie. It has a great storyline. And yeah, this is the part of my channel where I always say, please kindly go subscribe, like, share my videos. Okay, subscription is totally and will always be free. Thank you to all my subscribers. Thank you for watching my channel, and please try to watch till the end. Okay, try to watch till the end. Definitely you will obviously and definitely learn something from my channel. Thanks once again, and I have other videos on this channel. Head over to the video icon. You will see other movie recommendations that I have. Please attempt to watch them. Bye.